Microprocessor 8085 architecture. Man and welcomes you all. Class number 4. In this video we see I/O ports and data transfer. Diagram shown in figure, that is input port buffer enable, that is data bus D0 to D7, data from device, that is data bus is output, data output, that's shown in figure, input port. The 8085 microprocessor uses I/O, that is input bar output map, isolated I/O or memory mapped I/O to link external device and transfers data via parallel or serial schemes using specialized control signals. I/O ports, that is two methods, memory mapped I/O and second is I/O mapped I/O. Memory mapped I/O. In this method, I/O device is treated like the memory. Here there is no I/O or M signal. If the processor wants to read the data from a I/O device, it will place the address of the I/O device on the address bus. Then the I/O device will get selected. The memory which is having the same an address will also get selected. So we have to use separate address for memory and separate address for I/O device. Second method, I/O mapped I/O. Here we have the I/O or M signal, so we can select either the memory or I/O device for read and write operation. Next we see data transfer microprocessor 8085. Data transfer concepts. First, parallel data transfer. Second, serial data transfer. First, parallel data transfer. A. Programmed I/O. B. Interrupt I/O. C. DMA. Programmed I/O. Here the processor has to check whether the I/O device is ready or not through the ready signal of the I/O device. If the ready signal is high, then it will send the data to the I/O device. Otherwise, it will continuously check the ready signal. The processor is busy in checking the ready signal. The drawback is wastage of time. Interrupt I/O. In this method, the I/O device will interrupt the processor through the INTR signal to indicate to the processor that it is ready to accept the next data. Then the processor will send the INTS signal. Then the processor stops its normal execution and starts transferring the data to the I/O. This figure is data flow input device to microprocessor. This figure illustrates memory mapped I/O and interfacing with 8085 microprocessor. At Man Engineering. Thank you.